What's good, y'all? It's your girl Toni, and I'm back with another video. So today I am so thankful and blessed because I finally hit 500 subscribers. So, you know, long as you keep God first, everything else will follow, right? But I'm so thankful for everybody that's watching this video, including you. So now for what you're here for, right? So I finally hit that pinnacle of success that I've been wanting. And of course, success is a moving target, so I have another goal in mind. And in order to celebrate myself, I was like, you know what, it's time for another camera. Time for another camera. So I went ahead and got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Not the Osmo Pocket 2, the Osmo Pocket 3, okay? Because I was looking at this camera all year, last year, and I was like, you know what? I finally hit this goal. It's time to treat myself. So I was just chilling in the kitchen after eating dinner, and I'm like, let me unbox it on camera just for y'all. So hold on, let me get it. So I ordered my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from the actual DJI website. Did put the warranty on it because for a camera this much and you ain't putting no warranty on it, you got money. I actually went and got the creator pack because the creator pack has like way more stuff in it. So they claim. But we gonna see what it's hitting for. So let's see. So we got a little startup guide. We got a little video editing app. I didn't know that they had an app. What is this? Because I do not know. I don't know what this is. I think it's like stickers. I think it's like stickers for like their drones. Yeah, I think it's like stickers. I mean, this is gonna be cute when I get my new MacBook, but for now, you know, one electronic at a time. So we have, you know, the little instruction manual. We have a start guide. We have the video editing app. So now that that is downloaded, let's see what we have in here. Ooh, okay. It's really compact. I like that. When I tell you it's tiny, like look at it like against my arm. It is tiny. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. This is the Pocket 3. Oh my gosh, I finally have it. Usually I'm just watching people unbox stuff that I won't ever buy. Well, I don't have money to buy, but I got it.
Got it, yes bitches! Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please.
It's like metal. This is the camera right here just sticking out. So I'm gonna place it face up. Let's see what else is in here. I think this is the battery pack. This has to be the mic. This has to be the mic. Only because I see the clip. That's cute. You put that, oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
So excited! So excited!
Oh, which one is which? I think both of these are battery packs. We got our handy dandy USB-C charger. We got this little, I don't even know what to call it, like the little fluff ball. I think it's really for the mic. I like this. We got a little wristband for the camera. Oh, it's so fluffy and soft. Look. I think that's for the mic, but like, how do I put this on? Oh, so y'all see it has a hole on the top. I don't even think y'all can see it, but it has a hole on the top, and then, oop. So cute. We have a lens. We have a lens, and I already done touched it with my fingers because I didn't know. But I think for this lens, oh wow, it's actually magnetic. So you see, you just pop it on like that, and whoo. So that's cute. Okay, but I don't really know what type of lens this is. So let's get right into it. Peeling off the plastic. This is the screen on the front. I honestly do not know what this is. It's like a little magnet. All right, so like I said, it comes with this. Oh, I think that the magnet is for the lens when you're not using it. Like, so it does, like, to protect it. Oh. Anyway, so we have the little lens that it comes with. We have the battery pack. We have, this is the transmitter mic. And the little, I don't even know what to call it, fuzzball. We have the tripod. We have the case. We have the camera itself, and we have the little extension pack for the tripod. Like, you have to use both of them together, which makes sense because this is so small. And then what's in here? Oh, we got a little hard case. Okay. It's a cover. Because on here it says, you see, it says wide angle lens and black pro mist. So I guess it's 2 lenses, but I don't know. So yeah. Oh wow, this is so simple, so cute. And y'all know that I had to put in the wrist strap, even though I went through hell and back to get that set up, but it is all good because I'm a wrist strap girly, okay? Especially how small this thing is. Like, look, isn't that so cute and compact? Like, what? So they give you instructions on everything once you turn it on. So it's showing you like the shutter button, the record button is like that red button right there. It's saying there's a joystick. Oh wow, so this little thing right here is actually a joystick for you to like move it around, zoom in, do stuff like that. And then you could rotate the screen left or right. Oh my god, it's like giving like Sidekick vibes, I'm not gonna lie. So when you turn it off, I like that the camera gets tucked away so it saves the lens. Let me go and get my SD card because that's actually what I forgot. And let me put that in there first so I could start filming. So I did have a micro SD card that I tried to use, but it's like a generic brand and it's saying that it's not formatted to work with the camera. So I'm gonna have to buy another SD card. That's annoying, but that means that I won't be able to make any footage for this video today. I'm gonna have to make another video showing you the lenses. So, all right, so let's just get into the specs of the camera. It's really, really small. Like, look at that. I'm pretty sure like filming in public, people wouldn't even know what it is, or they would just assume that like you don't have a camera in your hand. So I think that this is like an extension pack to put on it for the tripod. So yes, so you have to put it in here to use the tripod stand, because I think like it's too small without it. Oh no, this is actually this actually charges it. So you can charge it and also use the tripod stand? Huh. Okay, so there's a smaller extension that's just for the tripod. I don't believe in buying any type of electronic and it's not covered. Like, y'all see my case? I always have to have all my electronics covered, screen protector, all that. Like, it's such an investment you need to protect this. So now let's get into the accessories that I bought. All right, so I have these filters. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, but I won't be able to give y'all a visual because I don't have an SD card, so that's a bummer. But I'm gonna make another video showing y'all the filters in action. So the first one, I forgot what was the different specs, but I know for sure I got an ND filter and I got a CPO filter. It's just like for people that's not into, like, how can I say it, like videography, photography, is basically like sunglasses for your camera. This is what the little case looks like. Oh my gosh, everything is so small. Like, I feel like I'm a doll. Which one is that? Blue Street. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all the case and what they look like. It doesn't even make no sense going in depth because y'all can't even really see. Y'all can't see the lenses for real. So I'm gonna keep these in the box for now though, because if something goes wrong when I try them, I'm gonna need my coin. All right, and this is the next four. These are the ones that I was talking about with the CPO and the ND filter. So I like that they have, like, they both have dials. So basically one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another one has 6, 7, 8, 9. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are all like different shades of the same lens, if that makes sense. So it's like getting 5 filters for the price of 1. That's the reason why I got it, but of course you would have to make sure that it's on the correct dial. So that is the second one. I really like that they come with a case though, because I will be scared to lose them. Being that the lens that came with the DJI is magnetic, I'm hoping that the magnet on these are strong as well. I got a case, y'all, a silicone case. I feel like these are for like the different pieces. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is for the mic. This is sick. Oh wow. So look at it with all the case pieces, y'all. So you can take this off. That's for your screen. And if you slide off the top, and the top one is like a little bit more firm, which I like, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel safe pulling it off. Proceeds to put back on because I spent my money on it, right? Rather be safe than sorry. So yeah. Then I also went and got this extra charging extension port, because when I looked up the DJI, basically the only battery that it has is what comes with it. So you always want to make sure that you have an extension battery, and this one is like, I think this one is like triple what the one that comes with it is. So like, let's say if this lasts 2 hours, this lasts 6. So and you put it on the same way, and actually this feels more comfortable, I feel like, even just holding it to shoot. And you just press it and hold it to pop it right off. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. My next video, I'm gonna show y'all how to use all the filters and what they look like while on. And I'm also gonna get a type of mount, like stand, that I could just screw on to get different angles. Like instead of like this, just like overhead shots, things like that. So like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Yo, which girl can say she stress me out? That's a fucking clown. Cause if her man saying rock, she have to do it out. And if she screw, she get a box on her dusty mouth. But